Nonna Pia, what are you doing?
I'm prepared the basil to put them on the sauce.
Okay. What's today?
Today is a Saturday, tomatoes day.
Tomatoes Day. Okay.
We got a lot of tomatoes too. 22 bushels, it's a lot.
Oh, okay. We'll show everyone how to make it. Grandma,
Who I am?
your Nonna.
No, not
Nonna
Pia.
Pia.
No, no,
Okay, she's back.
I'm back.
All right, now what, Nonna? What is this?
A squish. They
Squish?
take the wood off. Go ahead.
Nice. You make this yourself? This
My
tool?
brother did.
Ah. Let me see the bottom. What is it? Oh my God, all nails. Nice and rusty. It gives a good flavor, right?
You pinch, the water comes out.
Ah. Nonna, what are you doing now?
I'm pushing tomatoes in the machine.
Okay.
Crush them.
Uh-huh.
And then get the sauce and put the sauce.
It comes out over here. Beautiful. Look at that. She needs more. She needs more. That's all.
You gotta put a little bit extra
Okay.
because it's a big pot.
Okay.
Is
Yeah.
it beautiful?
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Quando caruno mangiamo. I'm going to eat pan spaghetti every day.
Time to fill it up in the jars, right?
Sort of put in the jar.
Uh-huh. You like the big jars or the small jars?
I like the bigger one because I make a big sauce.
Yeah.
You want to see? Well, everything is done. I'll
right,
finish it.
let's show.
It's 300 jars.
Wow, Pia. That's a
See?
lot of sauce.
You gotta bring it in the house.
And we have it for every day of the year.
But I give it some to the other kids.
Yeah, we give it to everyone.
My-
It's not for sale though.
No, no, no.